Hello, everybody. It's Friday again. Beginning. I think the last day of classes is coming shortly. The semester is grinding to a halt. We're going to have commencement on the 31st of July. Hopefully, a fairly normal commencement, but that worries me a little bit. And the reason is that we've done really well here at Florida Tech in protecting our students, staff, and faculty. In fact, this week we have no new cases that I'm aware of. So we've done well. Unfortunately, people are no longer as inclined to get vaccinated. And the number of cases in our county is the most it's been since sometime in May for the week. And so the cases are on the rise, and that's a very poor thing to have happen. We have some variants out there. We all know about Delta. There are other ones that are important that we don't even know about yet. So, but the new one, the new Delta variation, is very contagious. So people don't want to wear masks anymore. They don't want to take precautions. They don't mind grouping together, and I understand that. I mean, we're human beings. That's what we do. That the social part of our nature is so important. But if we're going to make it through this pandemic and ever get it completely under control, we're going to have to stay the course. We're going to have to try to use masks more often, or whenever you're in doubt, not be in such big crowds. Somebody has the sniffles or coughing or whatever, avoid them, because even though it's Delta variant, it's still and very contagious. It still can be very hard on certain individuals. So young people are not getting the vaccines. That's a bad idea. They're also getting the virus. So it's in fact, a high percentage of the ones catching the virus at this point in time are the young people under the age of 40 that have not gotten vaccinated. So I want to keep encouraging you. I want to finish the semester strong. I want to start the fall in a really strong position. It's going to be August before we can turn around. The new students are going to be arriving on campus. We'll be sprucing up all the dorm rooms and getting everything ready for them. The parents will be bringing them down and crying their last tears over little Johnny and little Susie coming to school here, or wherever they would go to school. So it's a wonderful time of life, and believe it or not, I can still remember it. And seeing my family drive away and leaving me on the doorsteps of the dorm by myself, and I thought, I thought I would say yippee. As it turned out, I go, oh my, I'm on my own. So I think it's really important that we avoid this virus. And if we don't keep taking precautions and we avoid vaccinations, it could be a scary fall. And I don't want that to happen, because Florida Tech is such a wonderful place and we're going to enjoy it. And my friends Wes and Arlo are here, and we want to wish everyone good health and a great semester and a good finish and a wonderful commencement. But most of all, we want you to be healthy. That's our biggest goal. I will talk to you next week. Thank you.